As soon as we woke up from the bed, we ask our mother, "What's the time now?" She will say, 7 o'clock. While we are going to the school, we ask our father, "Dad, give me 20 rupees for the pocket money." After going to the school, teacher may question you, "Why did you come late for 10 minutes?" And after some times, one of your class teacher will give you marks and she'll announce or he announce you get 24 marks out of 25. Again, if you go to the home, mother will warn you, it's already 10 o'clock, it is time to go bed. Observe, from dawn to dusk, every moment of our life is mixed with numbers or linked with numbers. We can't separate our life from the numbers. Even we can't imagine our life without numbers. Therefore, it is our bounded duty to learn about the numbers. Now, today our class is numbers. Once you imagine, if no numbers are there in this world, how the world will be today? It is very difficult to imagine, isn't it? In the ancient times, if numbers were not there, even the people faced a lot of struggles. As we know that necessity is the mother of invention. Since they faced a lot of problems, they started invention numbers. After finding the geometry, they given a nice design for the digits what we are using now. Once see how these numbers were designed. For example, see this figure. In this figure, there is only one angle. That's why this figure is named as 1. Similarly, see this figure. This figure has 2 angles. That's why this figure named as 2. Why it is named as 2? Since this number got 2 angles here and here. Similarly, this is 3 because in this figure we have 3 angles, 1, 2, 3, and this is 4. See this figure, this is a 4. How can you say it is a 4? Observe carefully. In this diagram, we have 4 angles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Therefore, this diagram or this figure is named as 4. Since in this diagram we have 4 angles. Similarly, it is 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Total how many angles are there in this diagram? 5. Observe carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's why this figure named as 5, since this figure got 6 angles. Likewise, observe this figure. This is 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This diagram consists of 6 angles. That's why this figure is named as 6. And this is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Sorry, angle not there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Total 7 angles. In this figure, we have 7 angles. Once you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's why this figure is named as 7. Likewise, this figure is named as 8. Observe this figure. In this figure, we have 8 angles total. Once count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Total we have 8 angles in this figure. Once again, see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's why this figure named as 8. And this is 9. See how many angles are there in this diagram? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total 9 angles. In this figure, we have total 9 angles. That's why this figure is named as 9. What are the numbers we are writing today? All derived from the geometry. See, this is this diagram consists of 1 angle. That's why it is 1. It has 2 angles, 2, 3 angles, 3, 4 angles, 4, 5 angles, like 6 angles, 7 angles, 8 angles, 9 angles. Since 0 has no angle, that's why this figure is named as 0. After invention of 0, now the number system become very simple. So before invention of this 0, it is tough to write the numbers. If you want to write the big numbers, it is difficult to write the big numbers. But after finding this 0, it's very easy to write the big numbers. Even we got the credit to find the 0. One of the great Indian mathematician, Aryabhatta, has invented this 0. After finding this 0, the total number system become, total digits become very simple to write. This is the numbers how they are derived before. If you want to write the numbers, digits are very, very essential. So as we seen, these are the ancient digits, 1 to 9, 1 to 0. Now, the digits we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and even 0 also. These are called digits. Okay, by using these digits, we can form as many numbers you want, those many numbers we can form by using these digits. So, therefore, these are called digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 0. Even this 0 is altogether called digits. Uh, Now, let us see the types of numbers. Let us learn about first natural numbers. These natural numbers are also called as counting numbers. What? These natural numbers are also called as counting numbers. Why they are called counting numbers? If you want to count something, you must start with 1. For example, if you want to count some boys in your class, we must start with 1, 2, 3, 4, like that. We cannot count with 2, 3, 4 or 0, 1, 2, 3. Isn't it? Therefore, these natural numbers are also called as counting numbers. If you want to count something, we must start from 1. Therefore, natural numbers are starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. The set of natural numbers is denoted by letter N, capital N. That is a set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so on. These are called natural numbers. In natural number, the first natural number is 1, and remaining all the natural numbers are generated from the first one. How this 2 has generated from 1? By adding 1 to 1, it become 2, like 1 plus 1, 2. How this 3 came? By adding 1 to 2. How this 4 has come? By adding 1 to 3, it become 4. Therefore, all the natural numbers are obtained except the first term. Except the first term, remaining all the natural numbers are obtained by adding 1 to its preceding numbers. And even if you write like this, it is very tough to imagine the last number. Therefore, the least natural number is 1, and the highest natural number is cannot be determined. It is the infinity. The highest natural number is infinity. It is very tough to find out because there is no end to the numbers. And we must learn every natural number has its successor. Every natural number has its successor. You take any natural number, 4, 5 is the successor of 4. You take 10, 11 is the successor of 10, 15, 16 is the successor of 15. If you take any natural number, definitely it has one successor. And even you take any natural number, definitely it has its own predecessor. You take 5, the predecessor of 5 is 4. You take 4, the predecessor of 4 is 3. But 1 has no predecessor. 1 cannot be generated from any natural number. That's why 1 is called the god of natural numbers. 1 is called the god of natural numbers, because one has no predecessor. Okay. Natural numbers are also called as counting numbers. Natural numbers are starts from 1, 2, 3 and so on. The highest natural number is cannot be determined. It is tough to determine, therefore its value is infinity. The least natural number is